Having a dog as a pet is exciting, and taking it out for a walk is even more. Dogs, whether big or small, needs walking as part of its various other exercises to keep its various limbs and organs in a coordinated activity. But is there a right way of taking out your dog for a walk? Here are a few tips that would help you make your walk more exciting and pleasant. Your dog needs to know that you are the master. Dogs operate by default as pack leaders. So, unless you let your dog know that you are in charge, there are all possibilities that your dog will pull you and tug you during the walk. Remember, being in charge doesn't necessarily mean that you ill-treat or pressurize your dog to listen to your command. Dogs by default are good listeners as well. Communicate to them as much as possible, and over a period of time, they will respond well and your walk becomes more enjoyable. The best practice suggested to take your dog for a walk is to have your dog walk towards your left, either towards your side or behind you. The advantage is you can control the leash with your left hand just in case your dog gets excited seeing another dog in the opposite direction or maybe a human being. If your dog tends to jump, then stop right there. Command a firm no so that it understands that what it's doing is wrong. Make it sit for a couple of minutes, relax, and then communicate that it is okay to move ahead. Remember, you need to move first and then your dog should follow you. This might not happen instantly and may require multiple attempts to make sure that your dog follows this command. It is seen sometimes that dogs are stubborn and may refuse to move forward during a walk. There might be various factors to this. Remember, your dog would be still familiarizing itself with the surroundings before it feels comfortable for a walk. In such cases, do not pull the leash too much or force the dog to walk in that particular path. As explained earlier, make your dog to sit, pat it gently, use your palms, stroke your dog below the neck, and give a confidence that everything will be okay. It is okay to communicate with an occasional good dog so that your dog understands that you are being gentle with it. It is okay in such cases to return back and make shorter walks in small circles until your dog feels comfortable. This again might not happen instantly and might require several walks before your dog gets comfortable walking in that particular path or road. As we come towards the end of the video, a couple of suggestions. Do not use your mobile while on a walk with a dog. Your dog might see several distractions on the road. A strong dog might pull you down and you might injure yourself as well. Make your dog walk safe for yourself as well as for your dog. Piece of suggestion: when on a walk, use leash mandatorily. This is in the interest of the safety of your dog as well as other people who might be on the road who might just not be used to dogs. This will also ensure that your dog doesn't stray away from you while walking. Last but not the least, a dog loves freedom like any other living being. Tying up your dog at home for long periods of time leads to a lot of aggressive behavior in dogs. This will also lead to continuous barking, which would be frustrating as well. Remember, your dog is your family member, and it is your duty to ensure that your dog and yourself enjoy each other's company.